Today's project costs less than a dinner for two. It's gonna make our garage look a lot nicer and be way more efficient. We're gonna take a look at this weather stripping. You can see this one's warped. It's cracked, it's not holding solidly. That little strip of rubber, it works all day, every day, keeping everything out of there, out of that gap. All right, and just like that, we are all wrapped up. You can see we've got nice, tight weather stripping right along the door. $38.04 for 3 pieces of weather stripping. So these are one of my favorite types of projects. They're cheap, they're easy, they're quick, and they make your house better. So check in next time. This is my under $50 projects.